Okay, so an oil company claims to have developed a fuel that will increase the distance traveled for every liter of fuel. 10 scooters are filled with 1 liter of normal fuel and 10 scooters are filled with 1 liter of the new fuel. The distance in kilometers traveled on 1 liter of each scooter is given in the table. Write down the null and alternative hypothesis. So the null hypothesis, now there's a bit of a pattern to this. There is,
No significant difference.
and always use the black words, no significant difference. In the population means. This means mu1 equals mu2. Now for the alternate hypothesis this time, we can still say that there is significant difference. But in this case, oh, right. In H. So the alternate hypothesis.
There's always going to be about population.
Yeah. Because you're always looking at data, and you're looking at, is the average of this data the same, different, higher, lower than the average of this data? So there is significant difference in population. What's the really important part about this test is we want to show that mu1 is less than mu2. What does that mean in context? What does that mean in context?
But the original fuel lets you travel less distance.
Yeah, the new fuel lets you travel far.
Wait, how do you do that?
Because you have to, and that's the hardest part about these type of tests, is you have to get that from the context of the question and the interpretation. So the company developed a fuel that will increase the distance. So we're not interested if they're different. In this case, we're trying to prove that there has been an increase this time. Robert, can you stay focused on this? You do better when you focus. So in this case, we want to find that there's been an increase in the data. So we carry out the t-test in the same way as we did last time. Let's do that now on the calculators. So I'm going to add a page for my lists. So we've got the original fuel, I'll call that ORG, ORG, and then we've got the new fuel. 36, 38, 44, 42, 45, 39, 38, 51, 33, 34. So we enter in the two sets of data. We go over to calculator screen. We want menu, statistics, stat tests, two sample t-test. We've got the original and then the new. And this time we want that mu1 is less than mu2, meaning that the new fuel lets the cars travel further, and pooled we want yes. This is asking us for the t and the p values. Let's copy those down. We've got t is equal to minus 2.83, and p value is equal to 0.00561. Take care with the p-values. Take care. Gets everyone's attention? A lot of you with these p-values are missing if it is very small. So this one isn't so small, but when they're very small and you get the e to the minus 73 or something, you're missing that. 3 or 4 of you on the previous quiz missed that. Let me just change the data to make that happen. Let me just change the data to make that happen. So let's make this 60, make that 80, make that 90, make this one 100. Let's do the t-test again. I'm not there yet with my p-value. Oh, I'll do that another time. I just remember I recorded a video. All right. So we have, let's see. We need to write down the conclusion of this one. So we take the p-value 0.00561. Now is this bigger or smaller than the significance level?
Smaller.
This is smaller than the significance level, which is what?
0.05.
0.05. So this implies that the p-value is less than the significance level.
To reject the hypothesis.
Insufficient
To reject
What's the exact phrasing? No. Somebody else.
There is sufficient evidence to reject the hypothesis.
Sufficient evidence to reject the null hypothesis. What does that imply?
That there is no significant difference in the population.
New fuel can increase the distance, or you can travel further with new fuel.
You travel further with a new fuel. So you travel further with the new fuel. What does that mean? What does that mean?
U1 is less than U2.
With these, pay attention to this. So with these type of things, if a claim has been made, you must say whether the claim is valid or not. So if a claim has been made, so in this case, the company claims, so use the word claim, the company's claim
Cannot be rejected.
we can say it's valid.
Oh, we can say so. Yeah.
It's valid. But I like the idea, it cannot be rejected.
Yeah. Could we
Cannot
say,
be dismissed.
yeah. Could we say there's insufficient evidence?
The company's claim is valid.
Like that would be acceptable in the exam.
Yeah.
Can we reject it?
The company's claim cannot be rejected. That's even better. You're following the statistics.
Yeah, I can't focus on school because there's just classes.
Okay, let me see if I can fix this then. All right, we are finished there. Let me stop that.